Flowers Fire by Kingfishr is played in open C tuning. So the low E string goes down 2 whole steps to a C, the A string down a whole step to G, D down a whole step to C, G stays as a G, the B string goes up a half step to C, and the high E string goes down 2 whole steps to C as well. So we're going to be playing this song finger style, and we're going to start off with just one finger on the 12th fret of the low E string. We'll play this note with the thumb on our right hand, and then we'll pick the G string open with the first finger on the right hand. We're then going to move to the D string with the thumb and pick the B string with the second finger on the right hand. Now we're going to play this 4 times. We'll then move down to the 4th fret on the low E string and do exactly the same picking. And then up to the 5th fret on the low E string and do exactly the same picking, only this time 8 times. So we have 12, 4, 5th fret. For the chorus, we go up to the 9th fret on the low E string and we do exactly the same picking, and we do this 4 times. Up to the 12th fret on the low E string again, 4 times through. On some of the live versions here we play the open low E string instead. I actually prefer the sound of that. And then we go to the 5th fret on the low E string and we play this 8 times. Okay, so we have 9 4 times, up to 12 on open, and 5. Towards the end of the song we go into a little strumming pattern. We have 9th fret on the E and A strings and the rest of the strings are open. We're going to strum down, 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 up. Then we're going to go to the first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, the rest of the strings are open, same rhythm. Sometimes this is played as 12 and 14 up here. And then we'll go to 5 on the E and 7 on the D string. And again, the rest of the strings are open. Same strumming pattern, but this time twice.